Now, this can be a guaranteed way to make money with YouTube Shorts. Okay, so I've seen a lot of videos on people saying how to make money on YouTube Shorts. There are a lot of them. Wait a minute. Anyway, so I saw this method recently that's using paid traffic to an affiliate offer, but I thought, why not use YouTube Shorts as the traffic source? And instead of just sending those happy buyers to an affiliate link, I'll be trying to set up something a little bit different that apparently increases the chances of somebody buying something. All of the software that I'll be using, you could use for free as long as you like. Did I mention you could grab those in the first link in the description below? Oh, well, you could. And to get access, you just have to hit this like button. And then the links to that software will just magically appear below. It's true. Try it. So you know we are using YouTube Shorts to drive traffic to this money-making method. And we will get into exactly how to set that up. But this video is about making money using YouTube Shorts. So let's first see how you can do that. To start, think about this. Just like you who would like to make money online, there are other people that want to make money online as well. And why I'm mentioning that is because this strategy is centered around the space of earning money online. And no need to worry, I'm not going to drag this on to the middle or make you wait to the end of the video to actually find out how you're going to make money with this. I'm actually going to share this with you first, right now. The idea here is to drive traffic to an affiliate marketing product where you can make sales. And there are many affiliate marketing networks you can choose from, like Warrior Plus, Digistore24, and ClickBank. And the truth is, with this method, you could use this with any affiliate marketing network that you want. But for simplicity, and because I've already found a product for you to recommend, I'll be going with ClickBank on this one. So if you don't have an account, you can click Start here to register for free. And once you're done with that, hit Login, go up to Marketplace, or you'd see a whole bunch of different categories, and you can use this method on any one of the products in these categories. Well, of course, you'll have to tweak it a little bit based on the shorts that you will be creating, which we will get into a little bit. But in this video, we're going to go into the e-business and marketing category and scroll down to this product here called Perpetual Income 365. And what this is basically a sales page that one of your customers will be seeing when they click your affiliate link. Headline here directing them to look at this video on how they can make perpetual income every month. All they would need to do is fill out their email address, claim their spot. Then the owner of this program would start selling them by sending them emails and then eventually pitching. And once they purchase this product, this is the commission that you will earn, with the opportunity for recurring billing. Because this is a proven product in terms of it already doing well on the platform, there's already content that you could use to market this so that you could start making sales. And it can be conveniently accessed via this affiliate page right here. Now, they say you can make up to $540 per sale with this. The reason for that is because they offer these leads that you send them a trial, and then they upsell them on these different products. Once the customer buys, you can make up to this $540 per sale with the opportunity for monthly recurring income. But what we're really here for on this page, separate to all of the different testimonials here, that you could use, what we're actually really here for is a video that we could use as well as some emails that has been proven to get them sales. So just fill out your information here quickly and then hit join the fun to get access to that type of content. Some of the highest converting email swipes. I think there are like 5 or 6 different emails. Actually, no, there's more. About 8 different emails you could use. So keep that tab open because we're coming back to that. And in case you're not sure, over here back on the search tab is where you would get your affiliate link by Perpetual Income. You just hit this promote button and then generate the hop link to whichever landing page that you choose. That hop link is your affiliate link. So once you click it, this link will show below here and you just simply hit copy. Now, in order to send these emails to those potential customers, we need to get the email address first. And to do that, we're going to use this service called System.io that will help us to set up a landing page, as well as send all of those emails for free. So check out the link in the description below where you can get started with System.io for free. Once you hit that link, you'll just have to enter your email address and then hit get started for free. Once you're logged in, come over to funnels here, then hit create. Select build an audience and call this one Perpetual Income, just for easy reference. Hit create. I want to keep this first page very simple because the idea here is to get somebody to fill out their email address. That is our main goal. So find something simple just like this one here. Hit select, hit edit page. And don't worry, we're not going to come up with the content for this ourselves, for the headline or even the button. Let's stick with what works. I found this option here as well as this other one that I got on the affiliate page. And I kind of like this one. So let's see how we can take this one and modify it. How to make recurring monthly commissions. I will just change this last line here to simple change the color to green. So we want when somebody fills out their name and their email address and then they hit get instant access, it then takes them to this page where they hit play and then they get instant access once they claim their spot. So to make sure that works, click the button, come over to here and hit action when button click, hit the show pop-up, choose send form because we want to get the email address. And after that, we want to direct them to a custom URL, which will be the affiliate link. Remember, you could have grabbed that by hitting promote and then generate hop link and then hit copy. Now come back to here, then save. Now you can go ahead and change the color of the font, the background. Right, so you can make all of those other changes if you want, but just for the example for this video, I'm going to hit save changes, then hit exit. So the page is set up already. Now what we have to do is set up the emails that would go out to this potential customer once they hit that sign up button. So come up to emails and hit campaigns, then hit create because you don't have any email set up as yet. Let's call this one perpetual income, save campaign. Click it and hit add an email. Now remember, you don't have to come up with any of this yourself. You're going to get all of the information right here on the affiliate page. Just scroll down, choose any one of these email swipes here. It doesn't have to be in any particular order. Let's just go with this third one. Choose one of the subjects. I think a lot of people could relate to this 18-hour work days or a small raise. So let's copy this one, paste this into the subject of the email, and then copy the rest of the email. Well, let's go back and now choose the classic editor, hit create, and then paste it into here. Now, everywhere that you see link, you have to paste your affiliate link in there because if somebody clicks that, it's going to take them to the sales page. This page here, and if they decide to buy and you don't have your link in there, then you don't get a commission and we don't want that. So be sure to grab your link like this. What you can do is highlight this last spot of the sentence here and then click link, then paste in your affiliate link right there and hit OK. And you can do that at the end of this email here as well. Hitting link, pasting your affiliate link, click OK. You want to make that bold here as well. You want to make sure it's quite visible for somebody to see. And once you're done with that, come up to here and hit save. Now what you could do is go and click add an email to add another email, or you could just use another one of the email swipes here. But let's say you were just going with this one. And remember, these emails are for the people that don't buy immediately. And this follow-up email here can increase the chance of them actually buying it. Now to get this actually working, what you have to do next is come up to automation and hit workflows. Click create, call this one perpetual, hit create. Now let's edit it with that email. Create your first trigger. And we want this to work when somebody fills out the email address and hits the instant access button. So you can choose this one here and hit select and choose perpetual. That was the name of the page that we created. So we want when somebody clicks the submit button on that page, fills out their email address, hits get instant access, we then send them that email. Just choose the email here. This is the subject of the email that we created. Click choose. And that's it. If you created the other emails from the other email swipes, then you can add them here. But we just did that one. So now what we'll do is just click exit. And to activate it, just come here and click activate and choose to confirm. Now let's grab the link of that landing page and also test and see if it's working. So click it and hit copy. Let's open up another tab, paste it in here and see if it works. So there you go, it works. So now that we have that set up, let's think about how we can drive traffic to that landing page. Now think about this. People like to use testimonials to prove a product. So why not use stories like that, success stories, to drive traffic to the offer? That is exactly what I'm going to do now using YouTube Shorts to do that. What to do next is search in Google for internet business success stories. And what we're looking for here are short stories about how some people made some money online and became successful. And this article I found here is ideal because the stories are quite short and great for this example. And from browsing through these stories, what I've got is that it gives enough information to become inspired, but not enough where you get everything you need from this brief story. Which is good because it makes somebody want to know how they can replicate similar success in their life through online business. And while this is a great story right here, at the same time, we cannot just take this exact and pop this into a YouTube video. But I don't have the time or the skill to rewrite this in a way that still sound good and not too close to this article. So what I would do is this. Head over to this site here called quillbot.com. which you can actually use for absolutely free for this particular purpose. And it does a great job at this paraphrasing. But because you're going to do this for free without even signing up, of course, you're going to have a little bit of limitations. So we'll have to take a paragraph at a time, highlight it, copy, paste it over here into Quillbot, then hit paraphrase. And in just like literally 1 second, it has been reworded in a way that we could use for video script. And to save this video script, what I like to do is open a brand new Google Doc and then copy this new section, paste it into the Google Doc, repeat the same process for the second paragraph, copying it, pasting it here, hit paraphrase, and then copy this new rewritten section, paste it into the Google Doc, and just quickly separate each sentence on a different line. And the reason for doing this is because in the program that is going to create the video automatically in a second, this is the only thing that you need to do in order to separate the different video scenes. And it literally took me a few seconds to do here. Now at the ending of this script, you can probably remove this last line here and grab the headline from the landing page, how to make recurring monthly commissions with this simple system. Because what we want to say at the ending of this video script is click first link in description below to learn how to make recurring monthly commissions with this simple system. Now highlight the entire video script, copy, head over to this free video editor with AI features to create videos almost automatically. I have a link in the description below where you can access this tool for free and use it for as long as you like. Once you register for free and log in, come up to the text to video option and you want to choose vertical because this is for YouTube Shorts. Browse and select a suitable template and then click use this template. Remember this video script that we just copied? We have to paste it into here. And the reason we separated it into different sentences is because it states here that each of the sentences will be converted into a new scene for your storyboard. And this would also help the AI to better auto-suggest images and videos. So paste the video script into there and you can give it a headline something like, they make full-time income with affiliate marketing. And then come down and hit next. Okay, great. So now what you can see here is all of the different sentences were separated into different scenes. Using the keywords from the sentence, different videos and photos will see automatically selected. For example, this is what the first scene looks like. And here's another scene. Now it's up to you at this point. You could add an automated voiceover, or you can add your own voiceover. And you can do that by simply hitting the advanced editor in the top left-hand side here, where you can hit voiceover. There is your automated text-to-speech option, but I would suggest to record your own voiceover. After all, it's just less than a page to read. So when you're done with that and you've tested the entire video, the last thing to do is hit download. And then you upload it to YouTube as a YouTube short by putting hashtag shorts in front of the title. And what I would suggest is repeating that process of grabbing some stories from a site just like this one, these mini stories here, then using this Quillbot tool over here to rewrite the different paragraphs to make them somewhat unique, pasting the written story in a Google Doc, and then dropping that into the in-video tool that will create your video pretty much automatically. The more of these YouTube shorts you create on a regular basis would increase the chances of somebody going onto your landing page here and signing up, providing their email address, which they would then be taken to this page, look at this video, and then hopefully buy. And there would be a percentage of those people who did not buy, but are still interested in buying at maybe a later time. They would have then received this email that you created, well, copied and pasted. They would have then read this story about poor Gary here, and then they would have gotten another opportunity to buy, here and here. Now what I'll be doing is posting at least one per day when I get this system set up. I'll be doing that until I make a sale. And if you try this as well, let me know in the comments below when you do make a sale. Now while this method is great, there is a way to make similar YouTube shorts and make money even before somebody clicks to buy something. Well, they have to click it, but you could make money before they actually buy something. And that's by them just taking an action, not having to spend any money, which should increase the chances of them doing it and you making money. And if you want to learn more about that, then check out this video next.